Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can change your website server location. So suppose that your website server are working from the India location, but your website are getting more traffic from the USA or any another country. So if you wanting to change your website server, so you can change easily, and this is free of cost. Your hosting provider cannot going to charge you for the you can change your hosting server location, and this is a easy method. And if you are getting traffic from the another country, so that would be the best practice to you will change your server location. So if any user can access from the different location, and you change your server location from the same country, so your website visitor can easily access and fastly access your website. Okay, so that why you can change your website server location. Okay, so now we can start. So first thing, you can open your server provider. So I'm using a Hostinger, so I can log in my Hostinger dashboard. Yeah, so I entered. So simply you can click on your websites, and you will see this is my website, and you can click on the dashboard, and this is hosting a website management a dashboard. So simply you can see this there is a hostinger option, so you can hosting option, sorry. So you can click on this, and you will see this is your website hosting all details. So you can see the most visitor come from the United States, 44%, and my server location is Asia, India. If I can move in USA, that would be the great option for me. So this is my website URL. This is a name server, what name server I am using, and this is a server details. Okay, so there we need to make changes. So you can see server details. This is my server name, and my server location is Asia, India. So simply you can click on the edit button, and you will see my server location is, so you can select your server location North America, USA recommended, and you will see my moved to Asia, India to United States. Mostly visitors come from the USA, and you will see this is the message: move your hostinger to the United States data center to improve your website loading speed for your visitors. This can initiate a one server transfer in a 30 days. In a 30 days you can make a one time server changes. Okay, so simply we can click on the next button, and if you wanting to change your server location from there, so you can choose your server location according to your requirement, from the which area you wanting to move. Okay, so simply we can click on the, so we have already selected North America, USA, MA, and after that we can click on the next button. You will see there is an important message for you: the server transfer is free of cost. All website under the hosting plan will be moved to the United States data center. The IP address of your website plan will be changed. Changes during the transfer process won't be saved and are not recommended. When you make request for your hosting location changes, when you guys cannot make any changes on your website, okay, server transfer can take up to 12 hours to complete. Hosting will be located during the transfer, logged during the transfer. So your hosting will be logged when during the transfer. Okay, so this is the important message, so you can read it. After that you can click on the start button, and your processing is started. The transfer process is started. You will see server transfer started. The process can take up to 12 hours to complete the transfer. Okay, so we can simply make it close. So this is a process for the hosting transfer, so your server location transfer. Okay, so I guess you guys got the idea to how you will change your website server location. So this is a very simple method, so you can change and you guys will improve your website loading speed. Okay, great. So thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, where you guys will access easily, uh, connect with me easily sorry. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button. And if you can also wanting to support me something, so you can subscribe our a membership, yeah, membership, yeah, you can make, you can be a member of our YouTube channel, and you can support us directly. Okay, so overall, and overall thanks for the watching guys, and bye bye, and take care. Okay.